Picture this. A song generated by AI in 3 minutes hits 10 million streams.
An AI-created artwork wins a major art competition, beating human artists who spent months perfecting their craft.
A machine writes a novel that becomes a bestseller. This isn't the future. This happened in 2024. But here's what nobody's talking about. While everyone's panicking about AI replacing creators, a small group of artists, musicians, and entrepreneurs are using AI to produce 10x more content, earn 5x more revenue, and dominate their industries.
The question isn't, will AI replace humans? The real question is, will creators who use AI replace creators who don't? In the next 15 minutes, you'll discover research proving AI-assisted creators produce 8 to 10% more novel work, why the $20 billion AI creativity market is just getting started, the exact hybrid strategy top creators use to dominate, and the real success stories you can replicate starting today. So stay locked in, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to weaponize AI while keeping your human edge and leave your competition in the dust.
The creative revolution. Let's talk numbers that'll blow your mind. According to 2025 research, when creators used ChatGPT to generate ideas, their work was rated 10% more creative than those brainstorming alone. Not 10% faster, 10% more creative. IBM's study proved this across thousands of participants, but it gets crazier. Writers using AI assistants produce stories 8.1% more novel and 9% more useful than unassisted writers. The AI creativity market is exploding to $20 billion by 2030. Top-performing AI models now match average human creativity in novelty tests. Here's the kicker. The best humans still outperform AI, but average creators without AI, they're getting crushed by average creators with AI. MidJourney generates museum-quality art in seconds. Ava composes film scores. ChatGPT writes entire scripts. Runway ML creates Hollywood-level video effects. The playing field just got rewritten. And most creators are still playing by the old rules. The crisis creators face. Let me read you real tweets from real creators. An AI just replicated my entire art style in 30 seconds. I spent 10 years developing this. What now? Lost 5 freelance writing contracts this quarter, all replaced by ChatGPT. I have a mortgage. Music producer here. Clients are asking why they should pay me $5,000 when AI can compose for $50. The fear is real. The disruption is happening now. But here's what these creators missed. They're competing against AI instead of collaborating with it. Think about it. When photography was invented, painters didn't disappear. They evolved. When digital music production arrived, musicians didn't vanish. They multiplied. The creators who survive aren't the ones with the most talent. They're the ones who adapt fastest. Right now, there's a window, maybe 12 to 18 months, where early adopters of AI-human collaboration will build unbeatable advantages. What the winners are saying. Let's hear from people who are actually winning. Gary Vaynerchuk just said, AI doesn't replace creativity. It's a multiplier. The creators who move fastest will dominate the next decade. Marques Brownlee. AI isn't stealing trophies. It's giving creators superpowers to iterate 100 times faster. But forget the big names for a second. Let me tell you about real creators. Taryn Southern released an entire AI co-created album that hit charts worldwide. Musician Grimes made her voice available for AI generation and monetizes every use. Digital artist Beeple integrated AI into his workflow and sold artwork for $69 million. These aren't flukes. They're blueprints. The pattern is crystal clear. Human vision plus AI execution equals unstoppable creative output. One content creator I studied went from posting 2 videos per month to 60 shorts per month using AI editing tools. Same input effort, 30 times output. Revenue jumped 800%. The gap between AI-powered creators and traditional creators isn't closing. It's widening every single day. The controversy. But we need to talk about the elephant in the room. In 2024, an AI-generated artwork won the Colorado State Fair art competition. The backlash was instant and brutal. This isn't art. It's theft. AI trained on our work without permission. Where's the human soul in this? And they're not entirely wrong. 3 major controversies are exploding right now. Copyright chaos. AI trained on millions of human artworks. Who owns the output? Courts are still deciding. Style theft. AI can perfectly mimic any artist's 20-year developed style in minutes. Is that innovation or theft? Market flooding. AI generates 10,000 images per day that would take humans years. Discovery becomes impossible. Here's my take. The controversy isn't about AI being evil. It's about the rules not existing yet. Smart creators aren't waiting for perfect regulations. They're positioning themselves now, watermarking their human-made work, using AI transparently and ethically, building hybrid workflows that showcase both AI efficiency and human originality. The winners in 2025 aren't the ones with the strongest opinions. They're the ones with the strongest strategies. The creator who cracked the code. Let me introduce you to Rohan, a fitness coach from Delhi. For 3 years, Rohan grinded, posted 20-minute workout videos, averaged 300 views per video, made 8,000 rupees per month from YouTube, worked 60-hour weeks. Then he discovered the AI-human hybrid model. Week 1, he shot one 45-minute workout session. Week 2, used OpusClip to auto-cut into 12 short videos. Week 3, generated eye-catching thumbnails with MidJourney. Week 4, wrote SEO-optimized titles with ChatGPT. Week 5, posted one short daily across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The results in 90 days, 2.8 million total views, 47,000 new followers, 2.1 lakh rupees monthly revenue, 3 brand partnerships, works 25 hours per week. Same human expertise, same workout knowledge, but 10 times amplification through AI. Rohan didn't get lucky. He didn't go viral by chance. He built a system that makes virality inevitable. And every single tool he used, free or under $50 per month. ScreenTime Digital. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but I don't have time to learn 15 different AI tools, that's exactly why ScreenTime Digital exists. We build complete AI-powered content systems for creators and brands. Shoot once, AI repurposes into 50-plus pieces of content. Automated editing. What took 10 hours now takes 30 minutes. Multi-platform distribution. Post everywhere simultaneously. Performance analytics. AI tells you exactly what to double down on. Proven results. Clients growing from 0 to 15,000 subscribers in 90 days. We've cracked the code on AI-human collaboration so you don't have to. Visit www.screentimedigital.in right now. Book a free strategy call. We'll show you exactly how to build your AI-powered content engine, customized for your niche. The creators who invest in systems today will dominate their markets tomorrow. The question is, will that be you? Your 7-step blueprint. All right, here's your exact playbook to dominate creative work in 2025. Step 1. Create one pillar piece weekly. Shoot one high-quality long-form video, podcast, or written piece. This is where your human expertise shines. Step 2. AI-powered multiplication. Use OpusClip, Descript, or Opus Pro to slice that content into 8 to 12 short clips automatically. Step 3. Attention-grabbing assets. Generate thumbnails with MidJourney or Canva AI. Test 3 variations per video. Step 4. SEO optimization. Feed your content to ChatGPT. Write 10 viral title options for this fitness video. Pick the best. Step 5. Consistent distribution. Post one short daily plus one long video weekly. Use scheduling tools like Metricool or Later. Step 6. Data-driven iteration. Run analytics through vidIQ AI or TubeBuddy. Double down on what performs. Cut what doesn't. Step 7. Add your irreplaceable human touch. Storytelling. Emotion, cultural context, personal experiences, humor, vulnerability. That's what AI will never replicate. And it's your unfair advantage. This system takes 10 hours per week, but produces what used to take 60 hours. That's not working smarter. That's playing a completely different game. Section 8. The future. Let me paint you a picture of 2026. AI avatars hosting entire YouTube channels, indistinguishable from humans. Personalized content generated in real time based on each viewer's preferences. Voice cloning so advanced that one recording creates content in 50 languages. This isn't science fiction. Companies are beta testing this right now. Your competition in 12 months won't just be other creators. It'll be AI-generated channels pumping out hundreds of videos per day. But here's the beautiful irony. Humans who master AI collaboration will be more valuable than ever because audiences crave authenticity, connection, and genuine human experience. The future belongs to hybrid creators. Human heart with AI efficiency, human vision with AI execution, human emotion with AI amplification. The creators building these hybrid systems today will be unstoppable tomorrow. The question is simple. Do you want to lead this revolution or watch from the sidelines?
Here's the truth. Humans aren't obsolete, but humans who refuse to evolve are. If you're ready to dominate creative work in 2025,
Smash that like button if this changed how you see AI. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly AI plus content growth strategies. This is Ambuj from ScreenTime Digital, your guide to the future of creativity. The future is AI plus human. The future is now, and the future belongs to the prepared. Let's build it together. See you in the next one.